Hello everybody, welcome back to Zul Studio channel. Today I'm going to make interior model, especially this moment I want to make a bedroom model. So as you can see on screen, we have this axis thing, we have this big window here, and then we have room, and then it's access to the bathroom. So let's start making some boxes for mass study as usual. First, of course we need a bed. Let's make 210 to 210 centimeter like this. Then height, let's give it 50 centimeter. Okay, make it group. Okay, and then I want to cover it using wall panel. Let's give 3 centimeter thickness like this. Okay, and then make also right here. So that's gonna be our wall panel. And the next, I think I wanna make a kinda bed head panel. I wanna make it 110 height. Okay. For the start, let's give it thickness for 10 centimeter. Okay, and then I want to put wardrobe here, so let's make a mark 62 centimeter, 60 for the wardrobe and 2 center for the door. And then I wanna put the first module. Let's put 50 centimeter here. So this is our first module here. Okay, 300, I think. Yeah. Okay. Make it group, and then make another module. The second module, I want to make it 100 centimeter and make it component, because I want to use the same module like this. Okay, and then I think I want to make another storage. Maybe let's put just 30 centimeter to 30 centimeter like this. Okay, make group, and then make another. Okay, and then make another here. So we have this door opening, so we can make hidden door right here, but I will go to detail later. Let's give it 6 centimeter like this. Usually 6 centimeter, it's very thick. Okay, and the next We have a TV cabinet here. I wanna make it like maybe all the way to here, but it will looks odd, so let's make a box first from here to here. Maybe 50 centimeter for the height, but I will detail it later. Okay, then push it 3 centimeter so we can have a nice edge join here. Okay, and then wait, how about if we extend the door? That's bad. We need this clearance for a circulation. Okay, so we have this. I will detail it later. And then this should be a standard wall panel here. Okay, that's it. That's the layout, the mass. Oh, this one. We have to put side table. Sorry, I forgot to make a side table. Side table maybe 100 to 50. It's enough. And then 58. Make it component because we're gonna make it same for every side. Let's put it here and then give it gap maybe 5 centimeter. Copy another to here and then make it gap 5 centimeter. Oops, 5 like this. Okay, and then make a mark for the middle like this and move the bed. Okay, and then move it, stick to the bed panel, and then we have gap about 11. Oh, that's big, I think. So 5. Let's add 2 centimeter here. Okay. Okay. That's it. That's our layout. Okay. So I will start detailing from a bed. First, I wanna make a bed head detail here. Okay, let's push this thing, make it align with the wardrobe, and then let's make adjusting panel right here. Like this. Make it group, and then let's make a wall panel. I wanna make the panel 8 centimeter thick like this, and then let's make a kind of variation. Let's make a gap or a line right here. I think that's gonna be nice composition like this, and make another line right here. Okay, and then I wanna make kinda wait, the height. I think we need more 10 centimeter. The proportion is just the proportion just looks better now. So let's push for 10 centimeter, and then I wanna make a kind of hole for LED. I wanna make it like this, 30 centimeter. I think it's enough. Oh, sorry, 30. Yeah, and then make a hole here, and then push it for 5 centimeter. Okay, and push it for 1 centimeter. Okay, and then I wanna make a module 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter square, like this. Push it, pull it 1 centimeter, and then make it component. Okay, make it component, and then copy it to the left side, then make it group to organize this module, and then copy all the way until here. So we need to measure this length. Okay, 150 should be enough. Okay, oops, save it. Okay, it's not enough. Let's give it maybe 8. Sorry for bad math. That's so embarrassing, guys. Oh, come on. Okay, and then because it's component, so we can make a gap right here, 0.3, and then 0.3, then 0.6. Yeah, that's it. And then I'm gonna put LED right here. Okay, it looks nice so far. And then I want to detail this model. First, I want to make a gap 2 centimeter. Wait, I think that's gonna be nice if we round this side like this and make it smooth. Radius segment, let's make it 100, so it's become very smooth. Okay, I wanna make gap wait, let's push it for 2 centimeter. Okay, like this. This is for a door. And then let's make a gap 2 centimeter, and then 2 centimeter from the upside, like this, and then offset 2 centimeter for wardrobe body, then push it 58. Okay, and this is component. Make it group, and then let's make a door. Okay, like this, 2 centimeter thickness, but I think the door it's only for 240. Yeah, okay, make it component, and then copy to other side, and then offset for the frame, like this. Make it group for the frame, and then make a glass, because I want to make it transparent wardrobe. Thickness 0.5 for the glass. Don't forget to make it group, and then give the material. Okay, yeah, wait, this should be let's make a dark glass, opacity. Okay, dark glass or tinted glass or whatever you wanna name it. Okay, and make another door for the upper door. Push it 2 centimeter. Make it component, and then copy to right side. Okay, that's it, our wardrobe model. And then next step just same as previous door. Make it group, and then give a glass, and make sure the glass have a thickness, because it's gonna be affect the rendering result. So we have to do this. I know it's very lazy, but we have to get more realistic render. Okay, next we have this. I wanna make storage, but what's the, it's 100. Okay, let's push it for a door, and then make a 2 centimeter gap like other wardrobe. Thickness, okay, and then offset 2 centimeter for wardrobe body, and then push it 26. Okay, make it group, and then let's make a door right here find the midpoint. Where is it? Yeah. And then I don't wanna make it component because I wanna make different door for this. I wanna make it align with this. And then make it gap for 9. Okay, and make a hole. To get access to kind of shelving here. Just want to make it unique. Yeah, like this. Okay, and let's detail this module. We have this door module, like this, and make gap all the way like this. Okay, nice. Yeah, beautiful so far. This one should be gap 2. Let's offset 2 centimeter and then push it 2 centimeter, and also do that to the bottom. Offset 2 centimeter and then push it 2 centimeter. Okay, nice. And also this side, to make the design is unite and monolith. Okay. And then next I wanna make detail for this side table. I think we need a scene to help us on design process, so we can back to the main scene so we can easily reset the scene. Okay, maybe yeah, like this. Where's, yeah, and then turn off the animation. It's very annoying. Okay, and then next we have this side table. I want to make it just simple side table. I think I want to make it round in this side, just little round, maybe only 5 centimeter. Yeah, That's wrong. Should be arc. Huh? Okay. Segment 60. Oh, that's too big. Maybe 30. Yep. And also this side. 30 segment. Huh? Come on. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to push it. And let's delete the guide. It's very annoying. And then offset 4 2 centimeter. Push it 2 centimeter. Okay. Then push it 2 centimeter. And then make a drawer. Just simple one big drawer. Wait, that's wrong. Snap. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. That's it. Next, let's move to TV cabinet side. So I think we have to make another scene. Yeah, like this. So we have this high top table. So I wanna make it 1 centimeter. 2 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter, I think. No, it's not slick, but that's look unrealistic. Okay, 15 millimeter. Make it group, and then offset for what 10 centimeter. I want to make it floating top table. Okay, and support to this window. And then make it the lower cabinet. I think I wanna make it 20, like this. Okay, and then make a gap, of course. Okay, and then make the cabinet for a TV like this. Also for the support for this floating top table, I wanna make it 30 centimeter. Yeah, make it group, and then make a support panel here. Three centimeter. Make it group, then make wall panel here. 3 centimeter. Okay, and I wanna make it like this. So I think 4. Let's divide it into 4. Okay. $200, $110. I think, how about 80 and then 80? And 80. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. Okay. So that's gonna be storage. 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. And then I wanna make let's align with this wardrobe module right here. Okay, then make a line and then make a body for a TV cabinet like this. Push it for 28, push it to the top table. Okay, and then push it 2 centimeter, make it group, and then let's make a door. That's a big door here. 2 centimeter, make it component. Don't forget to give it gap 2 centimeter to the ceiling. Then copy to the right side. Okay. Okay. Nice. And then make another door here. Push it 2 centimeter. Make it component and then copy to the right side. So we have this space for the TV. Okay, look nice so far. And then next we have to make this door. I think I wanna make it kinda pivot door, but let's make a frame first. 3 centimeter frame and then offset 4 centimeter. Make it component and then copy to the right side. Okay, and make a panel here 3 centimeter. Okay, make it group and then push this 3 centimeter. Okay, and then make a gap 2 centimeter to the floor and to the ceiling. like another panel. This 2 cm gap is very useful for utility and maintenance, by the way, because when you wipe the floor, the panel, it's not going scratch or wipe. Okay, and this little spot should be a panel right here. Make it group, then give a gap. Okay, that's it. And then give a gap. Okay, yeah, that's nice. And make a door. Okay, we have designed the room every side. Next step, we have to play with this area, the ceiling area. We have to treat this because it looks very flat. We have to playing around with the ceiling. Next, I will treat the ceiling. So let's start. Make a mark for our ceiling plan. Okay, I think I need 25 centimeter here for curtain, and then the up ceiling, let's give it 10 centimeter from the column, and also 10 centimeter from wardrobe, and with this gap it become 12 centimeter. Okay, and then 10 centimeter from the bed panel. Okay, and then that's bad here, and then 10 centimeter from TV cabinet model. Okay, I want to make up ceiling right here, so let's make a rectangle here, and then push it for wait, we have 50 maximum, but we only need 30. Okay, and then offset again 5 centimeter. For LED, push it for 5 centimeter, and then offset again 2 centimeter for emissive material later. Okay, so this is our ceiling. I think looks nice. So I wanna put air conditioning system here. Let's put the AC truck right here, so the air conditioning cannot disturb our design here, because I want to make a clean ceiling design. So we have to put the utility that affect the design far from this ceiling or this canvas. So let's put the AC right here. Let's mark the midpoint. I want to make 3 centimeter, so we have to give it 1.5 centimeter up and down, and then mark for 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter from here, and then make the hole. Okay, so that's gonna be our supply for air conditioning system. Next problem is we have to put a return. I think I wanna put the return right here. Yeah, let's put the same place, make a mark and align with existing AC trucks in the left side, and repeat the process like the left side AC trucks, and give it 10 centimeter from every side. It's gonna be aligned with previous AC trucks or AC supply, and push it for 10 centimeter. Okay, and our next step, we have to put ceiling light. First we have to put a pad light here, and then we have to put ambience light, but we cannot make ambience light right here because the space is too small. So let's put the pad light instead. I think the pad light should be right here, and then align with our cabinet or module. Let's make mark first to calculate the position. Okay, that's a nice grid, so we can make the grid like this. What the size? That's okay. Okay, we have this grid for pad light, and then we need, I'm sorry, I have to make a curtain. curtain of 20 centimeter, 25 centimeter from here to here. Yeah, okay. Okay. And next we have to put light for the bed itself. So I think I'm gonna put maybe around here. Make sure we not put the general light in upside of the bed, because that's very annoying if we sleep but the light is aligned with our head. That's bad. And then I wanna put 3 lamp. So let's make a mark and then give a gap for 50, and no, 50 is too far, maybe 30. Yeah, okay. And for this side, I think we don't need another lamp because we have this LED right here and LED right here. It's gonna be too strong. Maybe we can put a standing lamp here if we lacking light. And we have also this transparent wardrobe that can ray some light from LED inside this wardrobe. Okay, let's make the armature for our pad light. Wait, should be right here, and then right here, and then right here. Okay. The armature, just a simple circle with radius 2.5 centimeter. That means 5 centimeter diameter. Okay, let's make it soft. Add the segment into 60. And the thickness, I just want to make it slim. Let's make it 1 centimeter. That's too thick. Let's make it 0.5. Okay, and don't forget to make a line for help us on moving or for snapping or pick point. Make it component, and then offset 0.3 for 0.3, and offset again 0.3 for our boundary for emissive material later, and push it 0.3. Okay, it's component, and then copy to right side. Okay, and then copy again, to here, and then right here. Okay, nice. So I think we can move to material. We have all the shape, model. I think it's detailed enough to us can move to next step. Next step is giving material for this design. So the first material I will apply the bed side. That's gonna be wood veneer. Let's add material. I wanna use this material for the bed panel. Let's make it 200 first, and let's see what it look like. Okay, that's nice. And then apply in this area. Okay. And then next I will use this material for this panel. And this panel. For a TV cabinet. And this wall panel. Okay. Oh, this one. Okay. And then for this one I want to use black marble, so let's add another material. And let's make it 240. Okay. Okay, position. Oh, that's wrong direction, by the way. Let's rotate. Okay, and then put it right here. Okay. Okay. And then for this lower cabinet or pedestal, I want to use this marble also. Okay. And then for this material I want to use a black, not black, red, dark red, I think. Let's see, we can, okay. I think this one. I think we have to make it. Okay. Let's see. Wait, this looks weird. Yeah. I think that's the tutorial. Yeah. That's why we can see the reflection here, but it's okay. No problem. No problem at all. And then this box. until here. Oh, this should be, I think, using this color. So the door will divide the material. Okay, looks good. And then next, I want to use another wood veneer for this side table. Wait, this should be using this color. Okay, nice. Let's add a new material. I want to use the darker one. Scale it to 200 and apply to this side table. Oh wow, that's too big, the grain. Let's make it 150. Yeah, that looks better. Then I want to make another color for this frame. Let's make another solid color. I want to take the color from this wood. Okay. I want to use this color for cabinet body, for wardrobe module, and also for the frame. Okay. Okay, looks nice. And then I wanna use this for our door frame, and the door itself I will use this darker wood veneer. Yeah, nice. And then let's put floor material. I want to use a herringbone parquet. I have prepared the texture, so let's apply it. Let's scale it to 100 cm for first. Let's see. Okay, that's too small. Let's make it bigger, sorry. Let's see, 250. Still too small. 300. Yeah, perfect. Nice. And then next we have to apply wall paint for the wall and the ceiling, of course. Plaster. Or maybe this one, the fabric, just to make sure the material is different. No, that's weird, I think. Ground pattern. That's bad. Okay, I will use this one, but edit it, make it white, and then turn down the scale into 50. Okay, just to make sure the texture is paint or wall paint. Also apply to the wall. Okay, make sure every wall. Okay, and then the black color for gap and window frame. I want to use a black color, solid color, and then we can choose this black for this frame, and then for the 2 cm gap, to make it unite and same language. Oh, I forgot to make it in this area. Okay, and this side table also. And this wardrobe. All the way, every side, into the hidden door. Okay. This detail, the small detail, is very affecting for the entire design. So we need to do it very carefully. Make sure there is no leftover like this. That looks bad. Let's repair this detail. Okay. That's really bad. Okay. That's also black. and this floating top table also black, and then the AC trucks, of course. So okay, this is the design. We have applied all material from the bed side, the wardrobe, the entrance door, this TV cabinet, and next step I will decorate this room before we move to rendering step. So I wanna take some decoration, some props from other project or from my library, and then I will show the final result. So yeah, this is the final result after decorating the model. We have this bed with carpet here, and then the easy chair right here. We have this side table lamp on the left side. We have this wardrobe, and then if you can see to another side, we have this TV, and then full of wall panel all the way from the window to the entrance. So yeah, that's it. And then next I will import it into D5. So I have to end the stream and then start again the stream for rendering pace. So stay tuned, guys.